Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about box model padding. For all the new users, click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get regular updates. Make a new file, boxpadding.html. Copy the div span code. Change the title to box model padding. Before we see the proper results of padding, we need to set two values. One, the height should be auto of all the elements. Click on save and then live preview. Another important thing we are going to do is to remove all the margins from all the paragraphs. So we are going to style P here. And though we will study later about the margin, but set the margin to 0 and save this. We can't see any margin here. Now we are going to do the padding work. First click on inspect and see the box model. Click on box 1. We can see the text is covered all. No border, no margin, nothing is there, just the text part. So the syntax we're going to use for padding is just padding. We can declare the padding of the elements in three ways. The first is by giving just one value. Let it be 16 pixels. Click on save. You have seen some changes there. The next one, when we give it just one value, it is for top, left, top, right, bottom and left. It starts in clockwise direction. The first element, the first being the top part. Second one, we will set two values for padding. Let one be 13 pixel, give it a space and then 16 pixel. Click on save. So in this case, 13 pixel is for top and bottom and 16 pixel is for right and left. And in box 3 we are going to use the third way. We are going to specify all the four values. One is for the top, second is for the right part, third is for bottom, and the last one is for the left part. Click on save. Now we are going to see the box model. For the first box, when you click here, you can see this line. This is for the internal dimensions. Then the padding is 16, the value we gave there. Similarly for box 2, we can see the values here 13, 13, 16 and 16. And for the box 3, we can see 12, 15, 11 and 10. One thing is to be noted that when you change the padding, the dimensions of the div changes. It is the original dimension plus the given padding. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about box model border. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon.